Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function upper, lower, proper. Now let's understand what is upper, lower and proper function do. The upper function converts all characters in a piece of text to uppercase, that is capital letters. It will convert all the text into capital. And the lower will convert all the letters in small letters, all the text in smaller letters, and the proper will convert the first text of each word into capital and the subsequent letters into a lower case. Let's understand this with an example. Here we have student's name. It's not in a proper format. That means it's not capitalized, or some of the letters are capital and others are small. So we want in a proper format. So let's see how we can do. If we want all the letters in uppercase, that is capital letters, we can use the formula upper. So I'll use equals to upper, open bracket, and the text which we want to convert. So select the text and close the bracket. It has capitalized all the letters in this text. Now if we want to make everything as small letters, so we can use lowercase. So put lower and select the text and close the bracket. Now the proper one, what it does, it capitalizes the first letter of each word and makes the other one lowercase. Let's see. Proper, open bracket, select the text to be changed and copy. I'll just bring this formula down till the end, so we can see how the text has been converted to upper cases in this case and lower case and the proper case here. This can be used when the data is not in correct case. When I say case, it's uppercase or lowercase. So we can use this formula to accordingly change it. I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jaina.